there in Belfast. The first from the Prime Minister's official spokesman concerning John Reid's proposal to split the Home Office in two. The PM spokesman says he hasn't decided yet whether that should indeed be done, but he described John Reid's proposal as a serious suggestion that demands serious consideration. It's right that we look hard and proper at this issue.
Yes, they refused to say when the proposal will be discussed by the Cabinet as a whole, but agreed it was an urgent matter. That was one piece of breaking news whilst we're on that. Let me also tell you that the government